Good morning, good morning. How are you? So, I'm driving still in Texas. I wanted to show you I'm driving on US-87 going north. And now I'm in a small town in Texas. Let's see. How shall I show you the road? Like that, yeah? Driving in Texas. So the towns in this part of the Texas, in the prairies in Texas, they look deserted, old, like in the back in the days. Yeah, I can't believe that they are looking like that. They are behind, brothers. They are way behind everything. That's that's unbelievable. It is what it is, yeah. But the wealth of Texas, it's not on these parts. The wealth of Texas is around Austin, San Antonio, Dallas. That's the part of Texas that maybe you want to live in. But it is what it is, brothers. Yep. Yep. So, like I told you, I left Laredo, Texas. I stopped last night in Amarillo, and now I'm driving towards Denver. So soon I'm going to enter Colorado. Actually, sorry, New Mexico. First New Mexico and then Colorado. So I just entered New Mexico. Some girls were taking a picture with New Mexico. Girly girls. What can I do? They waved, I honked, and that was it. They were making a picture with New Mexico plate. Maybe their first time in New Mexico. I didn't cut the plate of the car, the license plate, but soon they are going to pass me and I will honk again. Maybe they will show me some. They will wave. Yeah. Nice. So, what do you say about the view that I have today from my office? Blue sky, grass. It's not green grass, but still it's good. And I'm able to see the world, yeah? The feeling of freedom, although you are not free. That at least you have the feeling. Right? Right. Yep. New Mexico. US-87 going north towards I-25. And soon today I'm going to cross Denver, Colorado, on my way to Canada. on my way to Montana. This trip will going to show me the side roads of Montana too. So I'm going to enter at some point on I-15, but just in Great Falls. So from Great Falls to Sweetgrass, the border with Canada, I will have another 2 hours. So I'm not going to spend much time on the interstates. Maybe now on when I'm going to enter I-25, I will going to exit the interstate in Billings, and I'm going to go north on the side roads, on the small roads, yeah. Yep. Let's see it like that. Yeah. Please don't forget like, subscribe, share, and comment. Yeah. What do you think about my haircut? That's for the cold, yeah. For the cold, not cold. Sorry, for the warm weather. Yeah. So, what do you think about the roads, the image, the sceneries? Comment down below. What do you think about the sound? It's much better, the quality of sound, or not? Yep. So don't forget to hit the notification bell, because you're going to see loads of trucking adventures from my trip, yeah? So take care, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.